How to turn on Wi Fi calling on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Wi Fi calling on your iPhone so you can make calls even when your cellular signal is weak. This feature allows your iPhone to use a Wi Fi connection for calls, ensuring better call quality in areas with poor reception. First, open Settings and tap on Phone. You can find phone right here on apps section and then find phone. Next, scroll down and tap Wi-Fi calling. Then toggle the switch on. A pop-up will appear asking you to enable Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone, so just tap enable to confirm. You may be asked to enter or update your address for emergency services. This is required for emergency calls made over Wi-Fi. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically use Wi Fi for calls when the cellular signal is weak, improving call quality in areas with poor reception. For some SIM cards, Wi Fi calling may not be available, just like mine. But you can try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!